So in the first activity, you're going to work on creating different types of charts. So the first one I'm going to do is the pie chart. I'm going to highlight including the headings, and I'm going to go to insert. And you can see here you've got all the different types of charts, and you can pop them out, you know, if you want to see a little bit more detail about it. So I want a pie chart, so you can either go there, or you can see you've got your pie chart here, and you've got different types of pie chart you can choose. We're just going to go for the standard pie chart. These are a little bit more detailed, but which we don't need. So just a standard 2D or even the 3D pie, it's fine, whichever you want to choose. Now, once you've done that, you've obviously got lots of different options here. So you can make the slices of the pie sort of a bit more 3D, and you can change the color. So you can see there you've got different combinations that you've got. With this one, you can actually change the layout. So you could put on the right-hand side what each of the pies was and actually put the numbers on there. You can make this bigger. One thing I would say is number sold isn't really detailed enough. So we just click once, number of pies sold. Notice how we use our capital letters because obviously they're titles. You can also click once, selects the whole of the pie chart, click a second time and it selects just one slice, and you can right click. You can change the fill color yourself, you can change the outline color of it, and you can also, if you want to, click format data point, click on this fill, and you could find a picture if you wanted to. You can pick it from a file, you can find an online picture. Okay, and can you see now I've put an apple into that? And then maybe you'd want to, you might want to then obviously put a line around it. So I'll just get rid of that fill, put a little border on it, and maybe make it a bit thicker. Okay, so you can have a play around with those. You've also got bar charts. Again, include your titles in this. Insert. Now the bar chart goes across and I cannot see it there. So let me just click on charts, all charts. These are the two options we have for the bar charts. So because we've got a week 1 and week 2, that's why we've got the 2 lines for each one. What I want is this one here, which says each bar and then how well it sold in week 1 and how well it sold in week 2. So I'm going to click OK, and that will pop it in for us. Make sure you put a chart title up the top. So something like bars sold in week 1 and week 2. And again, you can play around with the color scheme of it. And up here, you've got all your different options. Just have play around. And a column chart is done in exactly the same way that we just did the bar chart.